Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to best friend someone on Snapchat, to how to become best friend with someone on Snapchat. So to become best friends on someone with Snapchat, so all we need to do is we need to open up our Snapchat right here. So as you can see right now, we're at the chat messages right here. So there, as you can see. So first thing we need to do to add a best friend on Snapchat, of course, you need to send them snaps frequently. You both need to send snaps frequently, and then chat regularly or chat daily. Send some chats and all of that, and then keep your streak. Just keep your streak, guys. Keep your streak and there you go. Just keep your streak and then chat to each other and limit your interactions with others. The more you focus your snap and chats on that one person, the higher they'll rank. So that means you'll become best friends. So that's how you become best friends with someone on Snapchat, and be consistent, and because it takes several days or even weeks of consistent snapping to make them your best friend. But as you can see right now, we have the premium version. So I have already made my girlfriend my best friend, as you can see right there, best friend, because I have the premium version. And guys, if you have the premium version, to make them your best friend, for example here, we only just started chatting like yesterday, and then just click on that, on her profile, and then click right there, and then here, then click on right there, go pin love ko as your BFF. Then there you go. Once we pin that, there you go, click on done, you will see best friend. Now you have become best friend. Now once you become best friend, there you go, you are now best friends. So if you don't have the premium, just keep on chatting regularly and keep your streak up and limit your interaction with others. Just focus on your the person you want to be best friend with, because because it will rank higher than the other persons, than the other people's on your chat. Just keep on consistent chat with that person, and chat much more uh, on his or her chat, so you can get the what they go. Just you can get the best friend. You can become best friend on Snapchat. There you go. And then and before I go, you can also try the what you call this Snapchat Premium. As you can see right here, there you go. As you can see right there, here are the pricings. So here we have the monthly is $1.99 per month, and then here we have the annual is $2.50 per month. Best value, it said. And then friends and family, $2 per month. But as you can see, in for the monthly one, it's actually $3.99, or equivalent to rounded off to $4 per month. But on your first 2 months, you only get like $2.99, and then platinum is $14.99 per month. But yeah, guys. But before I go, I'm just gonna give you a quick tip for you guys. As you can see, I have the premium account, premium here subscription. I have premium subscription right here on my Snapchat. It's because I've used the free one. So now Snapchat has a free subscription if for new users, just only for 1 week. So I suggest you guys using it, and so you can have a best friend emojis and unlock perks and stuff here. So there you go, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. So yeah, guys, thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.